Vanessa, and this is Kid Fit with Vanessa and Friends. Thanks for joining me today on a brand new series of Rec at Home videos. These videos are gonna get our bodies moving and grooving with some cool activities that you can do right at home. Joining me today are some buddies of mine. Let's welcome my friends, Andy and Alex. On today's episode, we're gonna be using a spinner to help get you guys moving. First, let's show them how to do the moves. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah!
Alex is gonna show us how to shake your sillies out. Ready, set, shake. Andy, let's show them how you run in place super fast. On your mark, get set, go. Next, Alex is gonna show us how to hopscotch. Ready, get set, go. Next, Andy's gonna demonstrate windmills. Are you ready, Andy? Go! Alex is gonna show us his fast punches. On your mark, get set, punch. Next, Andy is going to demonstrate superheroes. Are you ready, Andy? Blast off!
We're gonna be using this giant wheel of fitness, but you can click the link in the description and download your very own one that you can use at home. Are you ready to spin, guys?
Yeah!
Are you ready at home? I can't hear you. Okay, let's go.
Shake your sillies out. Ready, get set. Shake, 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 shake. Three superheroes. On your mark, get set, blast off. 1, 2, 3. Seconds of fast punches. Ready, get set, punch, 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 punch.
You guys did amazing. Air high fives all around. And air high fives to you at home. Thanks for moving with us on the first episode of Kid Fit. Now, challenge your family and friends and post a photo using hashtag KidFitChallenge and tag us for a chance to be featured on our page. Make sure to tell your parents to follow us on our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Kid Fit fun. Until next time,
Stay connected, stay active,
and stay engaged! Good job, guys.